What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Bass and Partridge Net. Today, as you can see, I'm kayak fishing for the first time this fall. I haven't kayak fished since like July. It's been a long time, but hopefully we're gonna catch a big old largemouth here at the Potomac. So if you want to see some amazing fish catches, I highly suggest you stick around to the end of the video. Guys, we're out here. I'm gonna start off with the charter right here. First cast. I'm snagged already. That's crazy. And that was a bass. It just jumped in front of me. Please don't lose this bait. This bait's so expensive. It's a $16 bait. Got it. Alright. I'm not about to lose $16 bait like that. I also got a Texas rig, a weighted Texas rig, a square bill, and a fluke and an head rig. I think my top three are going to be this, the chatterbait, the square bill, and the fluke. I would like to use a lipless, but there's so many logs here that the lipless wouldn't be ideal because it wouldn't be able to deflect off the cover. It just gets snagged. And every time I pop my chatterbait, it's because it's either bumping a log or I'm ripping it through grass. Fluke time. This is gonna get bit. This is like the Senko of the fall time. You know how in summer you use a Senko to catch, like, to get bites and stuff? In the fall, it's a fluke. And if this doesn't get bit, then there's no fish here. This has to get bit. It's gonna be so hard to fish this though because the current keeps taking me away. Alrighty, do a little cast to get the line wet. Alrighty, we should be good now. Oh, that was good. That was real good. And instead of twitching it like sideways, I'm gonna have to twitch it upwards because my camera mount right here for when I take my thumbnails right there, and it doesn't really let me twitch my bait like normal. Come on. On the fluke, baby. On the fluke. He's a fat little guy too. This is a fat fish. As I was twitching it, he bit that thing. How to hit a hook out? Well, this one didn't need hitting, but bam, right there. Fish number one, guys. Small fish, but I mean, I'm gonna try to grab him. Look how fat he is. He's feeding up. And last fall, I also had this as well. I was catching a ton of small fish, like a pound, but they're all so fat. So I'm gonna get a thumbnail picture. Alrighty guys, fish number one here. It was 1 pound 7 ounces. So let's get the release. There he goes, guys. Fish number one.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Come on. Fish number two on the net rig. It just popped out. Alrighty guys, fish number two on the Ned rig. Just dragging a Ned rig along. The bite's been kind of slow in the morning. It was really good. Now it's slowed down. But fish number two on the Ned rig. Nice and chunky. There he goes. Well guys, fishing in the Potomac was pretty slow, and it's fall, so in the fall time you're either gonna have a really good day, or you're gonna have a slow day, or you're gonna have a mediocre day. It was really slow the whole day, and at the end of the video you guys saw another like boater next to me. They only caught one fish each as well, and about the same size. It was pretty slow today, and every other boater that passed by to fish that same spot also either only caught one fish each person or no fish at all. And I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you want to see more amazing videos from me, like, subscribe to see all my uploads, and as always, stay positive, stay happy, and go catch some more fish. Peace.